Perfect timing
Because,
too.
okay, so are you guys gonna stick around? Are you gonna go to the Canela fight, or what's going on so we can know to do the placas? I miss gangbanging like this, throwing gang signs. I'm not sure what that means. I'm white. Okay, we're gonna
So
start
we're
doing the
out
raffle,
in the
guys.
city
My
of
raffle
Fontana
ticket.
today for
I'm pretty
the
sure they can hear me
Generations
from across the street,
Club.
so you can hear from
My
there.
bad. Messed
If
that
not,
up.
make your way up here. You know the deal.
I caught COVID over there.
Damn, this MC. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe. We just hit the 9,000 subscribers, so really appreciate that. Got the classics OG. Small event, but still good amount of quality cars. Started about 5. We're a little late to this one, but one way. Oldsmobile, convertible. Check out these us all the work that gets to us. Barrels.
Hey, you guys, we're going to be doing our raffle right now. We want to say thank you for everybody supporting Generation Cardinal. We're going to be doing our raffles right now. Our first raffle is going to be a Halloween basket, so make sure you guys get your numbers ready. Everybody's ready, everybody's ready. All right, here we go.
Got the raffle going on.
All right, last three numbers are 294, 294, purple ticket. 294, purple ticket. 294, purple ticket. Oh, that over here.
So I talked to the homie for ticket.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, we're gonna be doing another raffle, another one.
You made that? My son had it made. Yeah. Look at that thing. I know, that's what I told him.
All right, we're gonna be doing our wet and dry vacuum. Purple ticket, purple ticket. Here we go.
August 17th. Next year, man. Don't forget us next year. Next year.
All right, last three numbers 340. Last three numbers 340. Purple ticket. 340. Purple
Appreciate
ticket.
you. That's my YouTube channel.
Alrighty, thank you.
Thank you. Have a great one.
Oh!
Very nice, very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Maybe he's got a boombox on there. Yeah, hey, that next? Is that next? That's next, huh? Yeah. He needs a system, bro. He needs a system in here. Or even a little portable speaker right here.
Couple more cars over here. Let's just check out these.
Here we go for the raffle. A stitch bag with a stitch backpack and here we go. Purple ticket. Mateo's morning. We have a donation right here by Wicked Ways. It's going to be on a purple ticket. Here we go. Thank you, Wicked Ways, for your support. Last two numbers. 452.
47.
452.
Got a couple mini trucks right now.
452. 452. Raise your hand, raise your hand. 452, purple ticket. 452. 452. Going once. Whistle. Heard a cholo whistle. Oh, over there in the back.
In the back, huh? What is that?
452, come get your prize.
Lock it!
That's pretty much it on this one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Yeah, 452.